In 1856, some mine workers in Germany's Neander Valley found a skeleton. It had thick bones and a ridge above the eyes, but was also very human-like. Today, most scientists consider this fourth group of hominids to be a distinct type of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens meaning wise man. The large-brained group that modern humans belong to. Scientists call this group Homo sapiens Neanderthal Manensis, or Neanderthal Man. Neanderthals lived after upright man from 230,000 to 30,000 years ago. Neanderthals lived in Africa, Europe, and parts of Western Asia. The appearance of a skeleton found in Germany led scientists to believe that Neanderthals walked hunched over with their hands dragging on the ground. As it turned out, the skeleton was of an older man who had a bone disease. In reality, Neanderthals walked upright. They were shorter and stockier than modern humans, but they were also much stronger than modern humans. Most important, Neanderthals had large brains. They used their intelligence to become skilled toolmakers. More than 60 types of Neanderthal tools have been found. These tools required much more planning, skill, and knowledge than the tools made by earlier hominids. Neanderthals created knives, scrapers, and spear points. They learned how to make sharp, thin blades by breaking off the top of a rock and then chipping 2 or 3 sharp flakes from the original piece. The ability to make better tools improved Neanderthals' chances for survival. But their ability to work together helped them even more. Neanderthals lived and traveled in groups, and they were the first early hominids to hunt in organized groups. Scientists believe that Neanderthals may have had a sense of community. When members of a group died, their bodies were laid in burial mounds along with hunting tools and flowers. This is a clue that Neanderthals cared about one another and had a sense of ritual. When on a hunt, Neanderthals worked together to surround and trap an animal. Then they would close in on it and kill it with spears. Evidence suggests that if some hunters were injured, other group members would help them. Paleoanthropologists have found some Neanderthal bones showing signs of serious breaks that have healed. These clues led them to think that Neanderthals helped members of their group when they were hurt or sick. Scientists interpret these indications that Neanderthals cared for each other to mean that Neanderthals lived as a community. This capability would have given them benefits in surviving. For example, they would have been able to learn from the experience and wisdom of older members of the group. How exactly are Neanderthals related to the early modern human? Scientists aren't sure. Judging from the remains that have been found of both groups, Neanderthals existed side by side with early modern humans for about 10,000 years. No one knows the reason why Neanderthal populations disappeared. All we know for certain is that only one type of Homo sapiens survived to become early modern humans.